welcome back to my channel. It's your girl LaShondacapri, and I'm back with a brand new freaking video. And as you can already tell by the looks of this video, I'm going to be showing you a quick tutorial on how I style and lay down my 4C TWA. And for you guys who don't know what TWA stands for, it's teeny weeny afro. I like to do this sometimes when I'm like trying to hurry to get out the door, or if I want my hair to be cute for a couple days. You know, this lasts me about 2 or 3 days. So before I jump straight into this video, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you turn on the ring bell so you're not missing any more notifications from me. And make sure you thumbs up the video and share and like. So let's just jump straight into this video. First, what I did is I did wash my hair, so my hair is super squeaky clean. I did my makeup, so my hair did dry a little bit, so I have a spray bottle and I have a towel. I'm gonna put a towel and wrap it over me just because I'm cold and I don't want water all over me. So yeah, so I'm gonna just begin to spray. You just want to make your hair a little damp, just a little bit. Ooh. I'm just gonna rub that in a little bit, kind of get my hair to be a little bit moist. So yeah, I don't want to mess my makeup too much. So yeah, don't mess up the makeup, ladies. Don't mess the makeup. Okay, so then after that is sprayed and done, my hair is a little bit damp. I am gonna take some Echo styling gel, or you could take whatever gel that you may use or that you may like. Whatever is fine, as long as it lays down your hair. So yeah, I'm gonna use this because I only have a little bit of this one left, but I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. So yeah, I'm gonna open up my style gel and I'm just gonna like start working it in there. I like to put this all over my hair. You want to take a generous amount and put it all over your hair and in your hair. And I already moisturized my hair as well, guys. I'm going to show you real quick what I moisturized my hair with before I did this. I moisturized it with some vegetable glycerin. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me get up here. Moisturize my hair with some vegetable glycerin. And you can order it off Amazon. It's organic, or you can get it non-organic from Amazon or from your local vitamin shop or somewhere. So yeah, I put that on my hair after I washed it. So I'm just gonna keep on doing this part. Make sure you lay enough in the back. Okay, now that I have enough gel on there, I think I have enough gel on there, I'm gonna wipe my hands a little bit and I'm gonna grab my comb. And before I start styling my hair, I am gonna add a little part. So I just part my hair where I like it. And add a little part in my hair. Whatever side that you like your part on is fine. It doesn't really matter. Okay, so there we go. There's my part. And I'm gonna comb it out my way. So there's my part, and I'm just gonna take some more gel and all right, and then I'm just gonna take my comb again, and I'm gonna start combing my hair down. And you can add more gel as you go. Whatever's best for you. And now that I got that all combed down, I'm gonna take my brush and brush the rest down. So I'm gonna take my tail off. I'm gonna take the hard side of my brush and start brushing my hair down. You can go back and forth with the comb and the brush. Yeah, just a little bit more gel. There we go. And then next, I'm gonna go get a scarf. So I'll be right back. I have my scarf. I'm just gonna do my edges a little bit. There we go. Now I'm just gonna sit my scarf on it. Okay, so then I'm gonna come back. I'll see you guys in a few. Maybe about 30 minutes I'll let the scarf sit on there. So yeah, I'll see you guys in 30 minutes. So it has been about 30 minutes and now I'm going to remove my scarf. And voila, I am all done. This is how I lay my TWA. I hope you guys found this video very helpful. If you did, make sure you hit the like button, share, and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below if you would like to see more hair videos. And as I always say in my videos, I will see you guys later.